Hello everyone, my name is Simran Arora, campus leader of the Legal Aawaz. As a campus leader of the Legal Aawaz and on behalf of the Legal Aawaz family, I am here to aware you about COVID-19. An unpredictable situation that has arisen like we are live facing through and by whom everyone gets afraid of. So first we will discuss what is COVID-19 actually. Basically, COVID-19 is an infectious disease caused by a newly discovered virus called coronavirus. Firstly, like the people who are getting infected will experience a mild to moderate respiratory problems, or a cough, sneeze, high fever, body ache, headache, eye itching, weakness in their body, etc. And the most important part is people are actually recovering from it without any special treatment, like keeping themselves in an isolated system. We could take it as a positive point, and also there is no such vaccine has been discovered yet. Secondly, the people who actually more likely to develop serious illnesses are the people above the age of 60, and patients who already underlying serious diseases like heart patients, diabetic patients, high blood pressure patients, cancer patients, chronic and respiratory illnesses patients, etc. Moving towards how it spreads, like according to the present scenario or present evidences we are collecting through news and social medias, COVID-19 virus is primarily transmitted between people through respiratory droplets in contact route, and it is usually spread by the droplets of saliva and discharge from the nose and the mouth when an infected person sneezes or coughs. So these are the basic symptoms that you have to get aware of. Coming through the impacts of coronavirus that we are facing through across the world, firstly we can say as the pandemic has spread over the world, concerns has been shifted from supply side manufacturing issues to decrease the businesses in the service sectors, like both in private and public sector. Further, as we are going through lockdowns or curfews, there is an increase in the usage of goods before then, and the major concern is disruption of factories and logistics. Thirdly, as the pandemic spreads over the world, global conferences, events, our sports events, fashion events, technologies has all has been cancelled or being delayed or postponed. Further, we can say main concern is low income individuals like Palayan who were moving here and there, like immigrants, to get safe and moving towards their houses, like they have the more chances to get infected and die from it. Lastly, like it has affected our educational systems also because of all the shutdowns of such institutions, and it has also affected our religious institutions as the cancellations of working workshop services. So as a human being of our or a member of the country, we should take major steps or preventive measures to like what to what to do or what not to do. First we will discuss what to do, like you what to do. So first is to wash your hands regularly for 20 seconds in between every 1 to 2 hours. Cover your nose and mouth with disposable tissue. Avoid close contact. Stay home. Stay isolated from others, like in the house only if you feel unwell. These are the basic, like what you have to do. And what you do not have to do, like do not touch your face, do not travel unnecessary, do not stockpile on marks, and do not believe everything on the internet that transferring from one to another media, and most important, do not take antibiotics. It will affect our health very badly. So also this this is the major concern not only in the India but whole of the international purview. So our international laws are getting up a one principle like Siruska principle that has been adopted by the has been adopted by the UN human rights, which restricts human rights for reasons of public health or national emergencies has been take place, and in US and any measures that has been taken to protect the population for their health care is for our people's right, and freedom must be lawful, we all know that, but health is the most important for everyone. Secondly, our international covenants on political and civil rights that require that restrictions on right for reason of public health or a national emergency that has been a major concern be lawful, necessary, and proportionate, as to be taken for our safety, for our health care only. So to be conclude from my side, the national lockdown to curb the spread of the novel coronavirus pandemic, like we all know that it has stalled all business in India bearing essential services, and activities in the sectors like has all halted since ever since 1.3 billion people went to severe restrictions because of this coronavirus since March 14, I think. So but I think that this is the only way to cope up with the situations, and our government is already taking and doing such major steps to curb this problem. And I think we must take preventive measures, and we must take preventive measures and must stand beside them, and government also needs us to help and support them what they provides us with the preventive measures they going like they provides us, so we must have to follow them. So please, I'm requesting you to stay at home, keep updated, and stay at home, stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.